Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson. Today I'm going to show you how to decorate corkboard for in-home decor. I have a square of corkboard here that you can get in any kind of home center, and I have an assortment of foam shapes that I got in the craft store. So now these have a peel-off backing. I'm going to try it, but if it doesn't adhere to the surface well because it's very porous, then I'll just go ahead and reinforce it with some hot glue. Hopefully it will stick. So what I'm going to do is decorate the top of the board. Well, it's the bottom to me because I'm trying to do it from your vantage point, but this would be the top. This way, when you stick papers or whatever, you'll still see the decoration on the top. They won't be covered by the papers. It seems to be adhering pretty well, so that's good. Now you can do it in any kind of color scheme and decor that you want. These shapes come in all kinds, the pre-cut shapes. There are all kinds available. Flowers, hearts, geometrics. I'm going ahead and doing a design that appeals to me, but you can use whatever kind of stuff that you would like. They have sporting equipment, all kinds of stuff, or you can get sheets of the foam that you can cut any shape out that you would like. So just going ahead and layering some of these. You can put as much or as little as you would like. My name is Linda Hutchinson, and thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.